Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in software and services, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as commercial and professional services. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications falling in the weekend of July 15th by 1.3%, while advancers ahead of decliners. 68% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Intel reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of 59 cents versus 62 cents last year, on net income down 6% year over year to $2.9 billion. Also, American Express unveiling second quarter EPS of $2.10 compared to $1.42 1 year ago on revenues of $8.2 billion. Looking ahead, the company sees full year 2016 results at the high end of its previous guidance of $5.40 to $5.70 a share. Also, eBay publishing second quarter adjusted EPS of continuing operations of 43 cents versus 42 cents last year, with revenues reaching $2.23 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets mostly higher today. The Nikkei up about 0.75%. The Hang Seng up more than 0.5%. China's CSI 300 up 0.46%. And South Korea's Kospi down 0.16%. European markets consolidating, and U.S. futures calling for a flat start. In terms of expectations today, AT&T second quarter EPS seen at 72 cents on sales of approximately $40.6 billion. Visa third quarter EPS seen at 67 cents. And Schlumberger second quarter EPS seen at 21 cents. On the economic docket today, it's a full 8:30 in the morning sees the June Chicago Fed National Activity Index. Also, we have initial and continuing jobless claims at the same time, while 9 o'clock in the morning sees the May FHFA Housing Price Index, and 10 a.m. sees the June existing home sales read. In terms of the markets, Trading Central finds the SP 500 to be in a period of a bullish bias as the relative strength index lacks downward momentum. Now, long positions above 2150 are favored, with targets at 2185 and 22 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees the upside prevail, preferring long positions above 4588, and the Dow Jones sees the upside prevail, preferring long positions above 18,400.